Where are you from?
I'm from Bhopal
Okay. Where exactly in Bhopal?
in Dwarka Nagar.
Ma'am, what is famous or special about Bhopal?
It's a lake view. That's a famous lake in Bhopal
Okay.
where you can visit, and every Bhopali likes that.
And we've also heard that, like, Bhopal has, like, just Madhya Pradesh in general has a lot of clean spaces.
Yeah,
Like
it's
Indore is
Bhopal
always-
and Indore.
Why do you think that is the case?
That is the case because I also visit Indore.
Okay.
In every 5 minutes, they have cleaned every place, every street, and all.
Wow.
Okay.
That's nice.
All right. And how long have you been in Bangalore now?
4 to 5 months.
4 to 5 months.
Yeah.
And which place in Bangalore do you like the most?
I visit 2 places: Iskcon Temple and one is what the place name is Vidhan Sabha and all.
Right. So you have visited Lal Bagh, Kavan Park.
No, I haven't visited yet.
Okay. You should check that out. Check
Yeah,
those
I'm
places
new
out.
here, so I didn't visit anything.
Okay. Which dish is famous or famous in your hometown?
In Indore, poha obviously.
Poha.
Indori poha is so famous, and in Bhopal, dal bati.
Okay. And which is the favorite dish in Bangalore? No?
In Bangalore, it's a dosa.
Dosa.
Yeah.
Okay. Is there any specific restaurant where you usually buy dosa from?
Recently, Namaste and also.
Namaste. Okay.
Yeah.
The one here.
The one is
Right.
nearby.
Okay. And what is your mother tongue? Huh?
My mother tongue is Hindi.
Hindi. Okay. Can you teach us anything basic in Hindi?
बेसिक हिंदी में मैं आपको क्या ही सिखाऊंगी. इवन यू ऑल्सो नो हिंदी, बट हाँ बोल सकते हैं कि लाइक आप क्या कर रहे हो इन भोपाली. और भाई क्या हाल चाल है, क्या कर रही है एंड ऑल.
Okay.
या
So wait, is Bhopali and Hindi similar?
भोपाली
Do you have a separate
भोपाली
dialect?
लैंग्वेज इट्स अ सेपरेट थिंग. भोपाली में बोलते हैं जैसे हम लोग नॉर्मली हिंदी में बोलते हैं कि आप क्या कर रहे हो, और भाई क्या कर रही है. भोपाल का ये टोन होता है.
और भाई क्या कर रहा है?
और भाई क्या कर रही है.
Okay. Nice.
या
Do you know how to tell the same thing in Kannada by any chance?
नो आई डोंट नो.
Okay, I will just teach it to you.
ಯಾ
You go on saying,
ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದೀರಾ?
ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದೀರಾ.
Yeah.
ಯಾ
ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದೀರಾ?
ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದೀರಾ.
क्या कर रहा है?
क्या कर रहा है.
Yeah.
ओके.
And for bhai you can say Anna. Anna is like
अन्ना फॉर भाई.
Yeah.
ओके. और आप कैसे हैं, वो कैसे बोलते हैं.
ಹೇಗಿದ್ದೀರಾ?
ಹೇಗಿದ್ದೀರಾ.
Yeah.
ಓಕೆ.
alright.
ಹೇಗಿದ್ದೀರಾ.
Yeah.
Yeah, we-
ಹೇಗಿದ್ದೀರಾ? ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದೀರಾ?
ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದೀರಾ.
Yeah. That is what you do. What are you doing?
ಓಕೆ.
Have you heard any other, just overheard any other words in Kannada anywhere?
ಇನ್ ಕನ್ನಡ ಐ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಲಿಸನ್ ಒನ್ ಬಟ್ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ. ಐ ಡೋಂಟ್ ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್.